Can you see that band, that wave of clear liquid plasma energy? That's that fucking gang stalker Jew nasty radiation microwave. I can't believe I figured caught this shit on my phone, but watch how this. Look at the window. It's stained green with fungus inside of it. Right now, what I see is those little, pretty much what you're seeing, but it's a clear vaporized trail that's just like flowing, coming from that machine that I recorded the other day. Remember when I recorded the other day that I actually went over and the radio wasn't working correctly? That's where that's coming from. And they're trying to call themselves gang stalkers, but they're just branching off of something. Like, here, let's see the angles I can get. See, let me get really close once and see if I can get any bit better of the flow, the charge, the discharge charge. See? That's a clear trail of vapor and energy coming off that machine outside. And I caught it on camera. It's just flowing straight across my yard, straight through it. See that? I'm not joking you. That is the trail of vapors that's flowing through my yard off that machine. Remember I showed you the machine? I never knew I was gonna get this damn I'm amazing, ain't I? You fuck with me, excuse my language. I'm gonna figure out what size underwear you wear, what kind of. Look at see these old trails. See the window, the window here. There's like straight line flows of it, where this stuff has ran through here before. See it? It just created a straight line running straight through the house here. Look at it. You can see it's a clear vaporized trail running right through my outside of my wall right now. I pray that this captures it as well as I hope it does for the proof that I need to destroy these people that are destroying people. Can you please tell me you know, you see, and you understand as a scientist what's going on here? Look. Watch. You can still see the clear, right above the top of the truck window. There's a line, almost two of them. It's like a sheet of clear liquid energy that I can see with the sunlight. And I can tell it actually pretty much changes direction along with somewhat like the see that? that clear band of energy that's running through the air. Well, look at the patterns in the window. And look at the color on the inside of the window. These people have been doing this for a long time to people. And there's evidence of it right here. And I know who's exactly doing it. Look at it. The clear liquid plasma running right on through. My yard. Ain't that tripped out and amazing? Like, how do you explain that? How do you be a normal person and catch that? I'm No Limit Mikey. I don't know how to explain like the path it's traveling here, but like this is my yard in my yard. But look at the window here. It's got several different layers of this where it's been through here for sure. Do you see it? The window's fully stained, and then watch this. From that angle you can't see none of it. You know, I can't notice or see none of it, but right when I get there, boom, I start seeing this weird blaze of energy that you can actually see it's flowing. Look at that. It's just flowing. What do you say that would be? Because you know, when I drove my vehicle, you could actually see. You could actually see when I pull up in exact spots that would actually be right where my vehicle would run through that at, and then it would stop playing my radio. That signal right there was just killing my radio, easy. Could we be dealing with some alien technology? I don't know, but let's get it out of our damn skin and our people that are like this guy across the street has been destroying my mind with vengeance. Like he's like Dr. Giggles in a way about it. Like just like when he wants to be an asshole, he's like, "Don't say my mama." And then all of a sudden, bam, I'll hear the ringing noise turn on. And then he'll be sitting there with the demonic voice. "Don't say my mama, man. Don't do this, man." And he's just, all right, well, I think definitely the proof is there. Well, what are we going to do now, Mr. Magic Mikey? Look, he's slowing it down and turning it down. He's trying to stop me from catching any more of it. Look at it. It's still flowing. But it's not flowing as strong, and it's actually flowing the other way, and I can barely hear the ringing sound. But he wanted to be an asshole today and like super, super, super piss me off. Now he's an idiot, and he's going to get his ass handed to him. I know who did it. Come on, what's up, you little punk bitch, excuse my language. But this is going to have to be a YouTube rated R. Mikey was right. Let's have a round of applause day. Look at the window. That's stained throughout every window in my house. Looks like that. You're a sick individual, dude. Look, I can see the travel and the flow of that stuff has been slowing down, and see it? It's flowing. Now I just got a signal from the guy down the block with the snowplow just drove by. Trying to make some noise on me. He better be here to pay me my money. And buy this phone for fucking another 25, 30,000 with this video on there, because he's involved. Look at the flow path is slowed down significantly and it's not doing a whole lot now. I'm going to have to notify him first before I accuse him of having a part in this, but I know he does. He can't, this has been going on a long time, over time. There, the path is speeding up a little bit again. You can see the flow of this energy just fine on this video. There's a pure sheet of plasma colored clear liquid energy that's running throughout my garden. It's creating these green lines, green banded lines on these windows. And now I figured it out.